Okay, so solving means getting x by itself. So let me go through some steps here. In this first one, I need to get rid of this 4. And that 4 is multiplying the x. So we're going to divide by 4 on both sides. That's going to leave us x equals, and then 12 divided by 4 is 3. Should it be positive 3 or negative 3 though? It's a negative and a positive. Signs don't match, so we're going to get a negative answer. So x equals negative 3 for that one. All right, next one. This is only one x here, so I just need to get rid of this minus 7. Then x will be by itself. So opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. So we'll do plus 7 on both sides. And then we'll get x equals 10 plus 7 is 17. Any questions on those first two? Difficulty kind of ramps up on the last two here. So in this one, there's more than one thing going on here. We've got times 3 here, and we've got a plus 12 here. Usually, when we're solving, we'll get rid of plus and minus stuff first. So you kind of do order of operations, but backwards. So plus and minus comes last in order of operations, but when we're solving, we do it first. So that's a plus 12. We can make that go away by going minus 12 on both sides. So that gets rid of that. We still have this 3x over here. 3 minus 12 is negative 9. We're not quite done with this one. We need to get rid of that 3. 3 is multiplying, so we'll get rid of by dividing. So divide by 3, divide by 3. Those go away. X is by itself equals negative divided by a positive is negative, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So x equals negative 3 again. Any questions there? All right, this last one, this is kind of getting into an algebra 1 level of equation. So if you were unsure about this one, I expect most people to kind of be like this. If this looks new to you, that's about what I expect. This one's different because it has x's in 2 different places in the equation. We can't get an x by itself if it's in 2 different places. So our first order of business is we need to choose whether to get rid of this 4x or get rid of the 2x. And there is no wrong choice here. You can actually do this problem 2 different ways. For those who completed it, did you get rid of the 4x or did you get rid of the 2x? You got rid of the 2x. So it's a positive 2x. We can make it away by going minus 2x. And make sure you're writing minus 2x because we need to get rid of the whole thing, the 2 and the x. Sometimes people will just write minus 2, and that is a habit that's going to cause you problems later. So we're going minus 2x on both sides. That's going to cancel over here. Now this is 4x minus 2x, which is 2x. We still have our minus 6 here, equal sign. That went away. All that's left over there is an 8. So now we got an equation that only has a variable on one side. Now we can go ahead and start getting that variable by itself. So get rid of addition, subtraction first. So let's get rid of this minus 6 first. We'll do plus 6 on both sides. That leaves us with a 2x and a 14. Oops, sorry. And then we need to get rid of that 2. It's multiplying, so we will divide by 2 on both sides. And we get x equals 7. Any questions on those last two? Folks, I'm just curious to see what your level of comfort is on this last one. We've only seen a couple of these so far. One or two in our assignments and one last week during one of our warm-ups. Can you guys show me on your secret thumb meter how you're feeling about this last type of question? Are you feeling confident? Are you like, yeah, I'm starting to get the gist of it, but I definitely need to practice it some more? Are you feeling like I really need like some more help than that? What are you guys feeling on this? Okay. I'm seeing quite a range. If you're down here on this, that's probably pretty normal at this point. If you're feeling like really uncomfortable, that's probably pretty normal. As you see more and more of them, you guys are going to get more comfortable. If you're kind of thumbs in the middle, you're going to be a pro at this probably by the end of this week. We'll be practicing this quite a bit. Okay. That's it for our warm-up. If you want to tuck